Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set the charging limit to 90% for better battery health on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So if you want to change the way your battery charges, so for example it limits at 90%, so the battery doesn't get charged fully and depletes some of the battery health, what you can do is open up the settings, then select the battery section, and then scroll down and select charging. Just tap on that, and here you can change the battery limit, so the charge limit, by enabling optimized battery charging, and then selecting the percentage that you want. So you can do 90, 95, 80, 85, all of that. So it should look like this. And optimized charging does get turned off because optimized battery charging automatically switches to 80% charge and then waits a bit to charge to 100. So that's going to be disabled if you have the charge limit enabled. And once you select it, that's pretty much it. Your phone will get charged only up to the percentage you've selected. So thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.